This guy has sent us dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens on top of dozens of emails. As I said before, this is a fellow we had a problem with for a long time. I can't wait to go to court. We can finally get this guy done and taken care of. A fellow by the name of Crow 1176, aka Jamie Fernando Gonzalez. Like I said, we're taking him to court soon for copyright infringements. And this is how triggered this guy is. This is how upset he is. This is literally every email this guy has sent to us. It's pretty much somewhere around in the range of, wow, 295 emails sent to us by Crow 1176. You don't believe I got your address, do you? I'm gonna show you. Here we go, buddy. Is that your address? That's exactly where you live at, isn't it? You keep on playing games, at the end of the day, you're gonna find out something interesting. Told you we know where you live at, where you lay your head at. I think it's apartment 6 or 9. We know which one it is. Walk over to me, I'm gonna put a bullet in you. You understand me? I'm dead serious. I'm gonna shoot you right on the spot. You stay on your side, you creepy little, whatever you are at the end of the day, you stay on your side, because there's something wrong with you.